Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you this motorhome today. This is the Globebus i6, 93,000 euros, 7 meter class, 695 centimeters long, 220 wide only. Mine's even wider, it's a lot narrower than mine. 281 height, standing height 198 inside. It's on a Fiat Ducato. This one's on a manual gearbox. Most people want automatics. You can get an automatic that'll cost around 4,000 to 5,000 euros more, something like that. I don't quite know. German layout at the back of the vehicle with windows on either side. Wasted space up here. Well, maybe it's not wasted entirely, because look, it is quite deep. You've got electrical point up there. You can charge your phone, USBs, storage at the back, steps up to the bed, steps, storage under the bed, and storage on the other side as well. I'll show you what the bed looks like. There you go. It's got slats here, and you can actually even see into the storage should you want to have a peek to see if this stuff is still there. This will all pull out like this, pull this down like that, and that bit there will stick in here. There'll be a ladder somewhere to allow you to go up the stairs. This is a wardrobe, and you can store stuff in it, including the ladder I mentioned earlier. And on the other side we have got a door, so you can shut yourself in the bedroom should you want. I can imagine that rattling a lot once the motorhome's had a few years on the road. In here we have got a very nice washroom. Mirror so you can see yourself, check your tyres right before you go on the campsite. Over here, that's a fridge. It's a long one, Thetford. 2 burners, sink, storage below. L-shaped sitting group, lovely large table, storage above it, space for your television. The bed will come down. I can't demonstrate it because the chairs are up and I've only got one pair of hands, but you can see that coming down in other videos. And okay, there you go, Fiat, new Fiat. And here, deep storage, well done Dethleffs for that one. The sideboard, that's a good mark. And got a door here, and the door is something I've changed my mind about, because I was against doors and integrated vans, but I'm not any longer. Right, mind you, I said that there you got a mark for that. I'm getting a negative mark now for this floor. You know why? It's not flat. I like to see a flat floor from there to the back when possible. But in this vehicle, I think it could have been possible. Mind you, that would have brought the price over 100, I think. Dethleffs have started this lovely nautical look, I think, for what's going on inside. You can see the water there, you can see the time, that's probably correct. And here we've got the electricity scene, which is in the battery, the habitation battery, the engine battery, etc. What's this doing? Can't see. There you go, fully charged. What's habitation battery doing? That's not doing so well. How much water is there? Don't know. How about, yeah, you can see it's empty. And if I turn this off, all lights are off. 12 volt. You see, that's an external light up there. It's not in here. So nice little display. We've got a mosquito net in the doors, you'd expect. And some vehicles have got these extra large doors. This one does have a window in the door with a blackout blind. Of course, there's not a mosquito net because this window doesn't open. As always, them integrated, you've got a sliding window here, and there you've got your vents for the fridge, and in here we've got a rather large garage. Now, I've changed my mind about integrated vans. I'm really in favour of them because of the amount of space that it offers inside. But that's since I've become an integrated van owner. So I'm really keen on them now. So that's the Globebus i6 from Dethleffs. There will be more information below in the description. And if I forget to put it in, you can remind me. Or alternatively, it could be because I didn't get a chance to actually put it up, which sometimes happens as well. This is Caravan Salon. It's held at from the last weekend of August until the first weekend of September. It's a great place to come to. So anyway, thanks for being with me today. You can see other vehicles, lots what we've got around us in other videos, but all the best from me in Germany for now.